we marked about 3 or 4 years ago. I know from its code it's that sort of time. They just sit on the leg, and then too often the flag is pointing away from you when you're on the scope. But last night in 2 hours it was perfect, and I managed to read 190 flags.
That's
so
amazing.
That gives us phenomenal data of how long the birds are staying. And this is clearly a male, and this one, so this, you see how it's very ginger on its side and very white on the head with black pegs. This one has got much less ginger. So if you look at the two together, this will be a female.
Cool.
So they'll stay here for roughly 2 to 3 weeks. Then they go up to the high Arctic and will be on eggs by the second week of June.
Wow.